In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've loaded up Snapchat, you want to go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left. That's going to take you to this screen. Then you can see a gear cog at the top right. You want to go ahead and tap on that. Then you'll be on the settings page and you will just have to scroll down a bit until you see memories. Go ahead and tap on memories. It's underneath see my location. And here you will have the option to save your memories and your camera roll. So if you tap on save button, you can select memories and camera roll only. So mine's on memories and camera roll. I can go back and then I can tap on auto save my story snaps, and then I'm going to tap on auto save to memories. So that is how you would back up your camera roll on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.